आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 6 September 2020. The headlines are: Defence Minister Rajnath Singh reached the Tehran to discuss the bilateral defence ties with the Iranian counterpart. Finance Minister says there is no restriction and no ban on the filling of the central government ports. Railway to run the 80 new passenger train from the 12th of this month. COVID recovery rate improved to 77.23%. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh arrived at Tehran last night, where he will be meet there the Iranian counterpart for the discuss and the bilateral defense ties. Mr. Singh arrived at Tehran and from the Moscow after the concluding his 3-day visit Russia and would attend the meeting for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO). Defence Minister he also held for the bilateral talks with the counterpart and from the Russia, China and Central Asia countries. In his address for SCO meeting on the Friday, Rajnath had said the India has deeply concerned about the situation of the Persian Gulf and called upon the countries in the region to resolve their differences and their dialogues based on the mutual respect. The Finance Minister has clarified for the Department of Expenditure and the circular the economic measure for the further the expenditure management deals only for the internal procedure for the creation of the post. He said the circular does not affect or the country tells the recruitments in the any way. Finance Minister has further stated that there is a restriction or ban on the filling of the central government posts. It said the normal recruitments through the government agency including the Staff Selection Commission, UPSC, Railway Recruitment and the board among for the other will continue for the usual without any crops. Andhra Pradesh drops for the chart among for the All India start the Union Territories in the Business Reform Action Plan BRAP for the 2019 ranking. Uttar Pradesh, Telangana and Bang second and the third position respectively. The Commerce and the Industry Minister released the taking of the state and the Union Territories UTS in the term the ease doing the business in the function. Attending by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Commerce and the Industry Minister Piyush Goyal and the Urban Development Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Goyal said that Center for the committed and the two are the promoting the cooperative and the competitive federalism. He said India is the among the top 10 the performers in the term of improvement and the ease are doing the business parameters in the last 2 years. Himachal Pradesh has registered the quantum jump in the 9th position by the securing the 7th position, expressing the happiness over the remarkable achievement. The Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said this is become possible due to reform brought by the state government. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has the congratulate for the investor and the entrepreneurs and the public for the reaching the second spot for the gaining the 10 pace by the state and ease of the doing the business ranking. He said Uttar Pradesh is playing an important role for the fulfilling the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's and the goal of the Atmanirbhar Bharat. 80 new special passenger train will be the operation from the 12th of the September. The Indian Railway has informed passenger can start the booking reservation in a new train from the 10th September. This train will be also the addition to the already the operation 230 trains across the country. Railway Board the chairman Vinod Kumar Yadav said that the railway is keeping the close watch over the demand and the waiting list for the various areas of the country. He said the more the train will be made the operational due to the course of the time needed. Mr. Yadav also informed that the more trains will be run upon the relieving special request for the exam and other purpose from the state government. The union government has set the COVID-19 recovery rate. The country has reached the 77.23%. Around the 70,000 people have recovered during the last 24 hours. The Health Ministry said the total number of recovery has reached the 31 lakh. Currently, India has the case the fatality rate for at 1.73%, which has won the lowest globally. In the last 24 hours, 86,432 new COVID cases has been reported in the country. In the last 24 hours, 1,889 deaths will be reported, taking the toll and the 69,561. According to Indian Council of the Medical Research, and more than the 10 lakhs 59,000 tests have been conducted during the last 24 hours. A total number of the sample tested for so far and reached over the 4 crore 77 lakhs. The center has exported for the state Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka to focus on the undertaking the aggressive measures for the breaking the chain of the transmission and ensure that the mortality in the kept below the 1%. They are advised the proactively the ensure the high testing, effective clinical management to the lower fatality and the save the lives, along the effective and the monitoring at the various level. Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka account for about the 46% in the active cases and nearly the 52% of the fatality case reported nationally in 24 hours. In the Delhi, the recovery rate of the COVID-19, the patient is trained for the 87.03%. The cities recorded their recovery, the 1,920 patient in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of the recovery patient till date the 1,63,785. With the increasing the testing, the cities has achieved the remarkable mark for the conducting the 91,814 the corona test rates per million in its population. A total 2,973 new confirmed cases of the coronavirus were reported in the national capital during the last 24 hours, with the total number of the COVID cases in the city has reached 1,88,193. In the Karnataka, 9,746 new COVID positive cases were reported yesterday. There we were taking the tally for the 3,89,232 people recover and the discharge from the various hospital. Recovery rate of the state the 72.78%. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 6th September 2020. We will take again same bulletin on the 7th September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं